Good morning. Well, it's been quite an eventful week with plenty of heavy rain pushing into Canterbury, thanks to a low pressure system organising itself over New Zealand and then really blasting in southerly to southeasterly winds. As that low pressure system then moved away, very strong southerlies pumped into central New Zealand before that low finally started to move away. And on this map here this afternoon, well, midday, we can see that low out there to the east. Still a bit of a southwesterly airflow over the country today, but things have calmed down quite a lot. Just the odd shower here for the eastern North Island, but those will gradually clear away. Then we've got a fresh new front here in the south, bringing showers to Southland, perhaps coastal Otago this afternoon, then maybe this evening, overnight, a little bit of cloud and perhaps a shower into Canterbury. Tomorrow, Sunday, it calms down even further, and Monday, you really get the idea because a high pressure system centres itself right over the country. Expect mainly sunny weather, settled weather, a cold start, especially for inland places. There could be some cloud and a shower or two around eastern Northland with that airflow moving around that high like that. As we move to Wednesday, well actually Tuesday's quite settled too, but Wednesday, the high starts to move away. Still quite settled over most of New Zealand. Just a shower here perhaps in the north, eastern side of Northland, perhaps northern parts of Auckland, Coromandel, Bay of Islands there, with that airflow moving around the top of the high. But the eastern side of New Zealand, it's quite nice. Warm too, thanks to a northwesterly influence moving in over the South Island especially. There will be some cloud developing for the west coast and a few showers moving into Fiordland. Expect some high cloud because there is a new lot of fronts heading in from the southwest, so a little bit of high cloud spreading in ahead of that. The North Island, you'll get a little bit of high cloud too, spreading out of that tropical low there. Then on Thursday, okay, there we go. A front moves into the South Island there, bringing a bit of rain to the west coast, the odd heavy fall for Fiordland. Rain or showers there in the south. In the east, still quite nice. There will be high cloud, but later in the day, south to southwesterly winds eventually move through, bringing rain or showers. This low pressure system brings showers here into the northeast. That front there and in behind it, there could be some instability. You never know, maybe a thunderstorm with that front as it moves through. Let's move to Friday, where the front there sort of really pushes down to the east-southeast. It brings some heavy rain into the Bay of Plenty as it moves through. Could be a bit of instability in behind the front, perhaps with the front also, but mainly in behind the front. Friday afternoon, you never know, there may be a heavy isolated shower, a slim risk of some thunder perhaps. A wet day for the upper South Island and dry further south. Then on Saturday, the low disappears down to the southeast. There's the front connecting to it there. It is moving away to the east-northeast. Still a little bit of rain clipping East Cape. The odd shower here in the west as the flow turns westerly, but plenty of sunny spells in here. The eastern North Island, after any early rain or showers, clears to a mostly sunny day. The South Island, very nice here in the east and in the north. For the west coast, a little bit of cloud, especially the further south you go. Showers or rain there for southwestland, Fiordland, showers here in the south as a new front heads in. Okay, we'll catch you next Saturday.
Severe thunderstorm cloud